and welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another styling fashion video of mine. Today we are talking all about my wardrobe essentials, so if you're interested then keep on watching. Dressing oversized has been one of my favorite trends lately. First piece I want to share with you is a good oversized blazer. This one is a men's blazer. It's black, it's awesome quality. The oversized piece in your wardrobe is perfect, especially for spring and fall time. You can really throw it over a t-shirt or a dress skirt and go for it. Also during summer nights it can be great addition to your look. But yeah, oversized blazer all the way. Continuing with my essentials, next up we have a good leather jacket. This one is from Zara. I have it for quite a long time, already 3 years, and it's a great quality. It has this rock and roll punk vibe to it and I really like it. It has been an essential in my wardrobe and I love it. Like, it's not that oversized, but it's not also really tight, and you can wear it with jeans, dresses, skirts. Next up we have oversized coat, and this one I got last winter and it's from a Polish brand called Elementi. It's a super cozy coat. It is beautiful forest green color, which is one of my favorites, and it's super warm. But as you can see, the fit, it's super oversized, like I like it, the way I like it. You can go like this, super easy. You have pockets and it's long. So essential number 4 will be a little black dress. This dress I got in 2012, which is 9 years. I got it from Pull&Bear back in Bulgaria. The size is M. The quality is amazing. You can see it's a little bit transparent here. This part which is underneath, and then on top where you have this beautiful lace. Some laces that can be really harsh on the skin, but this one is super fine, and I just love the quality. You have some detail on the back, super chic, and this is an essential, definitely one of my favorites. It has been for so many years in my wardrobe and I wear it every single year during summertime, springtime, or even during fall time with some tights and a good leather jacket. This is my favorite. I don't think that I will get rid of it anytime soon. And so yeah, number 4, a good little black dress. Number 5 will be a skirt, a leather skirt, and this is truly an essential for me. I like to wear it. I like to wear leather skirts all year around. Winter, fall, spring, summer is a piece that you need in your wardrobe. This one is from Mango and it's in the size S, European, and you have some zipper details, but I think it is so cute. You can style it with boots, with stickers. It's perfect. Next up is number 6. My next essentials are cashmere sweaters, and I love them so much. I believe that investing in cashmere is a great investment for your wardrobe. Cashmere is a material that is timeless, a classic, amazing quality. It lasts for years. Trust me, you can't go wrong with a good cashmere sweater. Number 7. Number 7 will be mom jeans. These are my mom Zara jeans. The fit is awesome. I think it's a great option for every lady to have this kind of fit in the wardrobe. It's a bit high-waisted, really comfortable, super nice. You can style it with heels, with sneakers, with sandals, boots, everything. They are, in my opinion, a great essential in your wardrobe. This was number 7. And number 8 will be a good white sneakers. These are from Adidas. They are Adidas. They're super comfy, and you can really pair them with almost every single outfit. Jeans, skirts, dresses. Essential. Basically an essential part of your wardrobe. These were my wardrobe essentials, 8 of them. Let me know in the comments which is your most essential piece in your wardrobe you cannot live without. Let me know in the comments. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Find me also on Instagram. It's Mariya Marinova, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.